In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert image on Google Docs. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Docs application, and there you can open up existing document, or you can hit add plus sign to create new document. And first you have to name the document and tap on create. And now in order to insert an image here, all you have to do is tap right there at plus sign and from here select image. Now you have to select where you want to take the image from. You can take it from your photos or you can take it from your camera. I'll tap there at photos, it opens up my camera roll, and now I can just tap add image to select it. I can select some different images and then tap on add to insert them all in this Docs document. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.